Hi guys! As you can see, polymer clays are hard. That's why you have to condition it before you can use it properly. You can use your hands or pasta machine to knead or roll it multiple times until it is easy to work with. After doing this, there will be some stain in your hands, so better wipe it first before conditioning another clay. So I suggest it is better to condition lighter clay first before the darker clays. By the way guys, I'm using the brand X Clay polymer clay in this video and in most of my creations. One of the ways to know if your clay is fully conditioned is when you press it like this and nothing sticks to the tool and no cracks. Now that our clay is fully conditioned, we will now make gradient color using Skinner blend technique. First, we have to make a teardrop shape, both colors, and place them opposite to each other like this, and then flatten it. Use rolling pin to make it thinner until it can fit to the thickest setting of your pasta machine. Insert it like this and then repeat the steps until you are satisfied. Made 3 sets of gradient colored clay, so we can now start on Nezuko's hair. Using cutter is easier for this one, but since it's missing, I'm using my X-Acto knife instead. And lastly, put her ribbon, which I did off cam. putting some thinning oil to remove my fingerprints before baking it. So before this video ends, let me just greet some of my friends slash bashers, sometimes slash supporter also to this YouTube journey of mine. Janet, Kla, Kuya Journey, and you can also follow his page, Atong, for more digital works, and Kuya Aaron, one of the people I somehow influenced to do playing. And you can also follow his IG account. He loves to draw, especially chibi characters. So that's it. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. So that's all. See you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.